that sprinkled me a little bit. Yo.
Who bikes?
Yo. Our bikes just, yo, it snapped.
Oh shit. Yeah, you didn't see that? Oh my, look at this, bro.
Yo, how the fuck?
Yo, bike. No more bike ride.
What do you mean, bro?
I gotta pedal.
Look, my shit.
I ain't never ran from nothing but the police. From the city where the skinny carry strong heat, Northside Long Beach. Northside Long Beach, hit the
Real fast, before you watch this horrible video, this horrible experience I went through, smash that like button. Let's go for 1,000 likes on this video. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you want to get notifications when I post videos, hit that bell. And enjoy. Peace, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It's currently Saturday morning. I'm actually on my way to Damien's house. Damien is moving out of town for a bit. Well, not for a bit, probably until he finishes school. He's going to Montana. He's been going out there a few weekends, and he transferred schools from LBCC to a school, I don't know the school name, but it's in Montana. So I believe tonight is his last night in town, and I'm gonna go say goodbye right now. I also got to get my jean jacket from him because he's had it for like 8 weeks now. And I'm dropping off this hang time sweater to him. I've given him shirts and stuff, but I'm gonna give him a sweater to take with him on the trip, you know. I ain't gonna cry. I don't like him at times, but that's my boy. Can't lie. So yeah, I'm gonna go say bye, you know. And then I'm gonna go ride. I'm gonna probably head up to LA today. Oh yeah, I got a haircut too, you know. Like, kind of. I didn't touch the top and let the top grow out again, but I just, you know, cut the sides, lined up. I'm not gonna lie, he didn't do his crispy this time. You know, this side a little longer than that side. Like this side could be like, no, see, I can't even pull it down. This side should be up like right here, but that's not the point. I'll see you in a second, guys. Change of plans. I'm selling my old car. Finally getting rid of that curse. Only for $300. So what? What? Yeah. My mom's gonna trip if she sees that rail. Let's bring it over here. You ready to get rid of that curse, Gabriel?
Yep.
The Camry is a curse.
No more tickets.
No more tickets.
No more worrying about looking over your shoulder.
No more worried about that. We just put it like right here, and then I'll probably build it up and start riding the Sabrosa rail more often.
You know Ray Rose?
Nope. Mission failed. I can't tell where Damien's house is in the background. Mission failed though. Came over to Damien's house to drop off the hoodie for him and get my sweater, my jacket. But he left to Chipotle. Probably my fault for taking so long to get over to him. But yeah. I guess I'll catch him later maybe. I don't know. No idea.
That fool ran into the car that was driving, I was about to say.
Damien out here crashing RC cars on this last day.
Nigga.
Farewell to Damien.
That
no more Damien.
Smack. That shit in there.
Look. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, the top came off. Oh.
Damien leaving. He give me some Gucci's. He give me some Gucci shoes before he go though. He give me some Gucci shoes before I leave. Imagine how disrespectful I'd be to just ride around in those. Put the Peep Game Gucci shirt on and ride around in those.
The whole shell came out.
Shell gone. Cool.
Other way.
Clip it on. I know. Nah, leave it like that, bro. Let's go.
You driving it backwards?
I'm gonna come in hot for it too.
30.
Almost. Focus, bitch.
For this van, smack my shit.
That's the clip. Drift under this bitch. As long as he don't end up drifting like right perfectly here, I'll be fine. It's like, oh, you. That was a lot of space. That sprinkled me a little bit. It wasn't even bouncing that hard. Yo.
Who bikes?
Yo. Our bikes just, yo, it snapped.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you didn't see that? Oh my, look at this, bro.
Yo, how the fuck?
Yo, bike.
No more bike ride.
What do you mean, bro?
I gotta pedal.
Look, my shit completely snapped off. Look, my whole, the whole, yo, bro. It wasn't even bouncing that hard. Yo, what the fuck, man?
Hey, happening right now? Freeway. Yeah. Okay.
Yo, that was crazy. It snapped clean off the things. Yeah, no, we were already past the bumps though. Look how far away we were. Yo, it just fucked up my truck though. Yo, it dented the fuck out of my trunk. Like, it dented hard
your bumper.
on my bumper.
What's up with this?
That's fine. It didn't even do nothing up here though. It just,
They ripped
Look
the
that
It
shit.
ripped off.
It took some of the paint
it
and
took
shit
a little,
off.
that's fine, it's on top. It took some right here too.
That's crazy.
Yo, this bike rack, it's not cheap.
I told you guys not to come to Davenport. I'm just
Wow.
trash, right?
No.
See me, he still got
mean,
one
you
side.
You can't take that off.
Yeah, you can.
What are you talking about? What you talking about?
How, Chris?
What are you
gotta take all
talking
the-
about?
Oh, yeah, you gotta take this.
Well, guy.
Bro, and then you can replace the straps, but I mean, it's kind of extra.
You could get one for like $50 at Walmart. 40.
Got to take the bikes apart and put them in the car later somehow.
In the trunk?
No. How they go? Bro, barely one bike fits in the trunk. How? Oh my God! Those little tiny bumps right there.
The other one kind of crucial.
Just knocked the last one. Okay, the last one's kind of beefy, but it's not like I was speeding through them.
All our tires popped this shit. No, other than that.
I wasn't even going fast through the bumps. They just.
Hey, bro, that's tight.
Got that new strap, bro.
Doom.
Hey, I'm trying to get one though.
Yo.
When you doing tricks, hey Markell, you gotta.
What do you mean?
Look, you gotta be like this.
Yo, bro.
Hey, go pick that back up.
Yo, that's messed up, man. That's messed up.
Lucky we're on the freeway. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, luckily it wasn't the freeway, but what the? We almost lost all our. Imagine if we were going up the street and I just hit a bump and the strap just ripped off like
Our
that.
bikes have been fucking. I didn't take Markell's blue one.
I don't know though, but I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know whether the strap broke first, and then
I think that shit just snapped in the weight.
No, I think the strap broke, and there was so much weight just put on this after from it leaning that this broke off as they were falling, and then the strap was just broke on that, so that fell down, and then.
That's the deja vu. We always talking about that shit breaking.
We always talk about it, but it's not supposed to happen. It's always a thought though, like, yo, what if this bike rack just fell off? God damn it. Yo, I literally just dropped my new bike off the car. I'm sorry. It's all scratched. Man,
Bullshit.
that's some bullshit. Yo, it's scratched up.
This shit got a ding?
Yeah.
My paint came off on the side a little bit. That's about it.
Yeah.
Oh, right here on this side.
literally happened.
Yo.
We always talk about this shit.
That's crazy.
Time to go finesse the bike rack.
So first off, supposed to go to LA. Didn't happen. My dad calls me, sells me. He has somebody that wants to buy my car for $300. Doesn't happen. And we go over to Davenport, and there's some bumps. I wasn't going that fast, but I guess it was a lot of stress. And my bike rack breaks off, like completely breaks off. So, yeah. Bye-bye to my bike rack. In the eyes of the angel.
I hate you. See, look.
Crucial.
Oh, shit. So you trying to fade up, dog?
Yo, today is crucial, man. Gabriel forgot the 17 on the truck. Yo, it's crazy that it stayed on all the way over here, though. It's literally Chris has to run to grab my 17 that fell. I know where it fell. Yeah, he got it. Yeah, I believe so. I believe he crossed and is coming. He's probably coming over here. I can't tell.
Wait a minute.
It's crazy. Today is literally insane.
Yeah.
You mean it's still going on YouTube?
Time-lapse video.
YouTube not even ready for this. 5-pound bag of candy in the hood. Gotta add the in the hood part. Yo, this shit's crazy. Just wait till we shake it up. That's just insane. That's literally my title.
You could have did a whole little vlog.
Preparation period.
And stuff.
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. But I
our hours.
Alright guys, it's the end of the video. It's like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I'm on that Call of Duty. I don't play no games. I'm on with my boys. We getting it in. Today was horrible. Broke my bike rack. Bikes fell off. Scratched my new paint and everything. I'm hurt. Messed my car up a little bit. Not a good day. All I need for you guys is smash that like button. 1,000 likes. Let's do it. Let's go. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And continue to watch. 2018, we doing big things. Let's do it. Peace.